Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abhijit. In this video, I am showing one important thing in this corona time guys for time pass. That is none other than a Bluetooth speaker. Wait guys, don't skip the video. This is an interesting Bluetooth speaker in this budget. It is only 900 rupees but nice brand and nice features guys in this price. So clarity and I am keeping all my effort guys. Please support me guys. And now I will start the episode, and this is a overview of the box guys. So we can see from here Mivi branding guys. This is speaker providing by Mivi company, which is an Indian brand. And here the speaker looks like this with amazing design and build quality. And here they wrote the model, here they wrote Bluetooth speaker, and here some features are there guys. 5 watts HD sound, 24 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5 version. 24 hours playtime means you can listen songs for 24 hours guys. This is a very main feature in this. In this price segment, other speakers are providing 5-6 hours, but this is providing 24 hours playtime, which is a very good feature in this. And the sound quality is very good guys. 5 watts also, HD sound is coming, so much clarity is there. And from side they would push the limits guys. Inside we should push the limits, and down and up nothing guys. Here they wrote engineered and made in India guys. Yes guys, this is an Indian product made in India. And here some features are there guys. Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker, super solid bass with powerful drivers guys. Yes guys, in this speaker the bass is awesome and premium built with metallic grill guys. And pair two Roam speakers for double sound guys. If you have another speaker like this, you can connect both speakers for stereo effect guys. And this is portable and easy to carry. And here they wrote water and dust proof, 24 hours playtime at mid volume, 2000 mAh battery guys. In other speakers they are providing 500 mAh, 600 mAh. In this 2000 mAh, that's why you will get 24 hours playtime guys. And here proudly made in India guys. 1 year limited warranty they are providing guys. And here some manufacturing details. The actual price is 3000 guys, but I got for 900 in Amazon. Now the price is 1200. That is fluctuating guys. And let's push the limits guys. One invitation card is there guys. Here also they wrote Mivi push the limits. Opening that, you have one catalog like this guys about this company Mivi, and some information is there guys. This is a user manual for using this speaker. You should read this. And one catalog is there guys. Keep this set. And to enroll the warranty, you should do this process guys, very easy. You should contact this WhatsApp number. And the king of the show, the speaker only guys. See guys how nicely they packed in one cover. Opening this is a speaker guys. See the quality and the design, very nice guys, looking so awesome. And inside the box we get two cables guys. These are the Mivi cables, and the quality also good guys. This is for charging. You can connect with any adapter and charge this speaker. This is micro USB cable guys. That is only one disappointment page. And type C they give means very nice guys. And this is a aux cable guys. In your device the Bluetooth is not there means you can connect this to enjoy the music. And keeping this, you have the speaker guys. And I will do the sound test also guys. This is the speaker with metallic grill guys. This is metallic grill via aluminum grill. And here you have grip guys for better gripping. And backside you have Mivi branding. Here one carrying tag is there guys for carrying. here 4 buttons are there guys: on off button, power button, and volume up and down buttons, play or pause button. Here Mivi branding is there guys, and here you should charge guys. This is a microphone. When your speaker is connected to a mobile by Bluetooth, while the phone came, you can speak hands-free calling guys by using this microphone. And opening this rubber, you have aux cable and micro USB port guys for charging the speaker. And while owning, the speaker will sound like this guys. Listen.
Power on.
It will tell power
Bluetooth
on
mode.
and Bluetooth mode guys. And the light will blink like this. When you pair with your device, the light will stop blinking. And I will do sound test also guys. Stay tuned. See guys, after owning you will get like this guys. Available devices Mivi Home 2. Simply you connect this speaker to this, and I will do sound test guys right now. Okay guys, let's plan NCS music. This is the NCS music guys. Now I am playing. You also listen guys the sound clarity of this speaker. I am playing only non-copyright music guys because the copyright will affect my channel. I am starting guys.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Keep fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to
Okay guys, that is the sound quality. My microphone is not good guys. So in your opinion, it is good or not? Comment below guys. This speaker is very nice for me. So this is the overall review of this speaker. Best speaker in this segment guys. Hope you like this video. Please support me guys. See you in the next video. Bye.